I've been tracking my ovulation for a few months now, and I'm still amazed at how much my body was telling me without me even realizing it. I used to think ovulation was just about my period, but I was wrong. So, I've been using a combo of basal body temperature tracking, cervical mucus monitoring, and ovulation predictor kits to try and get a better understanding of my cycle. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. One of the most surprising things I've noticed is the subtle signs my body gives me when I'm ovulating. Like, have you ever noticed that your libido spikes right before ovulation? I thought I was just going crazy, but nope, it's just my body trying to get me in the mood. But that's not all. I've also noticed that my breasts get slightly tender, my senses become more heightened, I can smell everything, and I get this weird, tingly feeling in my lower abdomen. It's like my body is trying to tell me, hey, girl, now's the time. It's been fascinating to learn about my body's rhythms and patterns. And the best part? I'm finally feeling more in tune with my own body. Tracking ovulation has helped me notice subtle signs my body gives me when I'm ovulating, like increased libido, breast tenderness, and heightened senses. It's been a game changer for my fertility journey and overall understanding of my body. Has anyone else noticed any weird or wonderful signs of ovulation? Share your experiences. This fictional story is based on real-life experiences of many women who have benefited from ovulation tracking and noticed subtle signs of ovulation. BBFMM. Your health, our priority.